Hi there FMPS. It is Science Week this week and our topic is the deep blue sea. So I thought what better way for us to warm up today than to go for a swim at the beach. Got my towel, my thongs, my goggles. Don't forget, important sunscreen at all times. And we've got the ocean in the background. So I know that with Corona and everything that's been happening this year, we haven't been able to go to the pool or go to the beach like we'd want to. And we haven't had our swimming lessons for this year either. So I thought our warm up for today, we might do a little bit of a swimming lesson. And you're going to follow along with me. And today we're going to practice 4 strokes. We're going to practice freestyle, backstroke, breaststroke, and survival backstroke is a really good one too that I really enjoy. So, first of all, what you'll need to do to set yourself up is you'll need 2 pillows on top of each other. And we're going to be using these pillows to lie on today to pretend we're in the water and to get us a little bit off of the ground. And also, they do wobble around quite a bit, so we're going to be working on our core and our balance at the same time as swimming and working on our cardiovascular system. So the first stroke that we're going to do will be freestyle. And in freestyle, what we need to do is we need to lie on our belly and we use our arms and our legs for this stroke. So our hands are going to be going up way above our head and reaching, and then we're going to pull our hand down through the water and make an S shape and push it out behind us. And it looks like this on the other side. Up, up, pull, and that nice S shape and push it out behind us. Up, pull, and out behind us. And the kick that we use for freestyle is the same kick we use for backstroke, and it's called a flutter kick. And a flutter kick, we need to have our legs nice and straight, our toes pointed, and our legs go up and down like this. We don't bend our knees too much at all. We try to keep them straight as much as we can, but if we're in the water they would bend a little bit, and we point our toes and backwards and forwards. So everybody, I think we should have maybe a bit of a practice with our freestyle stroke now. So can you join me down on the floor please with your pillows? And I think we might have a bit of a practice. So, goggles on so I can see where I'm going. I'm laying on my belly. I'm in a nice position here. And I'm going to go forward with one hand. See how my legs are kicking? They're flutter kicking. Forward. S shape, push back. Other hand. S shape, push back. I'm reaching out in front as far as I can go. And I'm pushing behind me. And my hands are coming over at opposite times. Good work. How are you going? I'm starting to warm up already. Now we can add a breath in there. So after every 3 arm strokes, we can breathe out. So 1, 2, and then look the other side, breathe. 1, 2, 3, breathe. 1, 2, 3, breathe. 1, 2, 3, breathe. Whew. How's that everybody? I'm feeling warm already. I hope you noticed that my legs were flutter kicking the whole time. My arms were coming over at separate times. I was making the S shape, and after 3 strokes, I was taking a big breath. Now everybody, I think we should try out some backstroke. Backstroke is really similar, except we actually do it lying on our back, looking up at the sky. Our kicking is the same, you just need to remember the flutter kick, but our hand stroke is a little bit different. So what I need to do is, when I'm doing backstroke, I'm actually coming around, and see my pinky finger? That's pointing backwards because that's going to enter the water first. So pinky finger pointing back, and then, do you remember that S shape and push? It's the same thing again. Same on the other side. I go arm up, pinky finger pointing backwards in the water and push. Our kicking is the same, and we're on our back. It's a lot easier to breathe this time. But with backstroke, we need to remember we're looking backwards, okay? It looks a little something like this. Get down and join me. So, I'm going to lie on my pillow. Good job, sunscreen's out of the way. I start my flutter kick, so position myself a bit more balanced. I'm flutter kicking. Pinky goes in and I push. Pinky goes in and I push. And I'm looking back behind my head. And my arms are rotating at the same time. So they're going opposite, sorry, like they were with freestyle. My flutter kicks are there. My pinky goes in the water and I push. Pinky in the water and I push. Whew. Getting tired already. That's the backstroke. We know 2 strokes now. The next stroke we're going to work on is called breaststroke. So, our kicking in our arms are a little bit different with this. Our arms, we sort of go into a prayer. We need to push in through the water, and then we pull out with our hands out and around. Back into a prayer. Push, out and around, prayer. And sometimes you might hear people say prayer, torpedo, pull, prayer. Torpedo, pull, prayer. Torpedo, pull, prayer. And our legs do a little bit of a frog-like kick. So our legs are going to come up with our knees and push out with our feet. Up, out. Up, knees into our chest. Legs out, together. Up, out, together. And we do this one on our belly as well. So everybody, back onto your belly. Goggles on if you have them. Our arms go first, and then our kick. So everybody, prayer, torpedo, kick, pull. How's that? Prayer, torpedo, kick, pull. Prayer, torpedo, oh, sorry, I messed up there. Prayer, kick, torpedo, pull. 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 That kick and torpedo are pretty much at the same time. And when we breathe, we just bring our head up for this one, so it looks like this. Prayer, kick, torpedo, pull. Prayer, kick, torpedo, pull. And we can breathe on that pull. Prayer, kick, torpedo, pull. Prayer, kick, torpedo, pull. So remember, our kick and torpedo at the same time, as is our pull and our breathe. And look at my legs. Knees are coming up as far as they can on the pillows. Feet go out and I come together. Our last stroke, everyone, is going to be called survival backstroke. And it's probably the easiest of the strokes to do. And once again, we're on our back. So what we do, our arm actions with this, look like this. We're coming up with our arms and our legs at the same time. We're coming out, we're pushing, and we're coming together. So we're nice and straight. So we come up into like a chicken, out into a star, down into a straight line. So chicken, star, straight. Chicken, star, straight. And it looks like this. Quickly, onto your backs again. Balance out the pillow so I don't fall off. Find a nice position. Yep, I'm nice and balanced. Straight. Chicken, star, straight. Oh, I hit the chair. Chicken, star, straight. Chicken, star, straight. Chicken, star, straight. Everyone, those are our 4 strokes for today. But now what we're going to do is we're going to do a medley race. So we're going to pretend that we're in a swimming pool and we have to go up and back. And when we go up and back, we're going to change our strokes each time. So the first stroke we'll start off is freestyle. Then we'll do backstroke. Then we'll do breaststroke. And then we'll do survival backstroke, okay? And we'll have to go up, facing one way. And then we're going to turn around on the pillows, go the other way, and we're going to keep spinning. So let's see if you can copy me. Let's see if we can keep nice technique, and we will be tired after this. All right, everybody. I might put the timer on as well, just so I know how long to go for. Get ready. Get your goggles on. Get ready for freestyle first. Ready, set, go. Freestyle. As fast as you can. Don't forget to breathe after 3 strokes. Keep going. We're almost at the other end of the pool. Quick, we touch the end of the pool, turn around. Back the other way. We're almost there. Quick, we touch into the pool. Let's get into backstroke. On our back, going the other way. Whoa, got my arms confused. You're doing really well. Keep those flutter kicks going. Keep the arms coming down by your side. Keep looking back. Yes. We touch the other wall, turn around, go back the other way fast. Good job. We're almost there. Keep going. You're doing really well. Yes, we touched the wall. Quickly on the breaststroke. Going back the other way again. Prayer, keep torpedo, pull, breathe. Good, turn around. Good, we touched the wall. Into survival backstroke, going the other way. Straight frog star kick. Straight frog star star. Ooh. We touch the wall, back the other way now. This is the last one. Let's go really fast. Yes! Well done, everybody. We made it. My swimming technique is a little bit funny because I'm on the land. If I was in the water, I'd be gliding a lot more. So, we learned a little bit about technique. I hope you had fun doing this. If you'd like to do it again, you can. Or if you'd like to practice on your own, you can. But anyway, let's get into today's lesson.